In a world of chaos and confusion that draws our attention in many directions, we tend to lose ourselves and to wander from our path. Crisis and destruction are everywhere, but so is spiritual truth. So what do you choose? Where do you stand? Who and what are you? To determine spiritual truth from untruth, you need to rediscover your path and to live your purpose. It is here, in this very world with everything in it, that you must stand. You must free yourself from submission, and you must take the wheel in your own life. The IKYA Spiritual Survival Kit Seminar will give you access to your own spiritual tools, those you may already be aware of and those you have not yet discovered. And you will learn to go beyond survival to spiritual thriving and healing. So sign up for this free and groundbreaking online seminar today to reserve your spot.